Okay, so again, this T is all messed up, or not messed up, but it's welded into this, and I don't want to attach a fern coat to this. I'd just rather replace the whole T. Plus, it's a little bit low. I usually like it about 19 inches now with the bigger vanities. So we're just going to cut this copper pipe. We're gonna get, this is 1.25 inches to 1.5 inches. So on the copper, I'm just gonna put the 1.25 inches. It fits better that way. Okay, so we'll go 19 inches off the floor. So we just need about a 3-inch piece. Measure down into my hub, about 12 inches. Okay, then we'll just put the fitting in here after the drywall's in, but that'll be a much better setup here. There we go. So I wanted to show you this because I wanted to show you how easy it is to actually move a drain. So that's one of the reasons I like to remove all the drywall, so I can address plumbing issues like this. And it's a really simple installation once you get everything out of the way. So thanks again. Give me a like and follow me for more tips like this.